Garima, we've talked before, we've done demos and things, but maybe we should start at the beginning. What is your role at Dell?
So I'm an engineer with the HPC and AI engineering team at Dell, and our goal is to put together systems for HPC and deep learning using all the different components and architectures that are out there.
Yeah, it seems like there's more options than ever, different CPUs, memory tiers, all these kinds of technologies. Do you tune those for specific workloads?
So that's exactly what we do, right? So in the lab, the labs are playgrounds. So whether we are using Intel CPUs, GPUs, different interconnects, whether it's InfiniBand or Omnipath or Ethernet, different workloads. You've heard us talk about manufacturing and life sciences and research and weather modeling and molecular dynamics. So we actually have systems in the lab, equipment in the lab with all these different hardware and software components, all these different workloads and ISV licenses, and we run performance benchmarking on the systems so that we can provide results and metrics to show what's the value and differentiation between different systems.
Yes. So the end goal here is to make sure that the customer doesn't have to mess with all that stuff. They can just get to work, right?
That's absolutely right. So that's absolutely right, right? Yeah. So if you had all the time in the world, you could do exactly what we're doing. But if you bought a system and you had a bunch of researchers with deadlines who were trying to get something done, you want to spend your time helping them and not doing anything on the system because the system just works.
What are you hearing this week from the customers here at the HPC community meeting?
Lots of different things. So the fact that they're here is great because there's value in what we're saying to them. They love the publications that are coming out of the engineering team. So for me personally, that's great feedback to keep doing what we do. And they're very interested in how they're going to handle all the complexity that's coming down the road. The stuff with Gen Z, like you talked about the memory tiers, all the different architectures, whether we're doing cloud, what we're going to do with AI, like AI is the cool thing, but how are we going to use deep learning and AI? So all this complexity is something that we're looking to solve together.